Some people say I was literally dying of laughter. Now, this is wrong because literally means something really happened. But you were not really dying, so it's just an exaggeration. So instead, you can say the glass literally broke into pieces. It really broke. Also, he literally ran 10 kilometers this morning. This means he actually ran that distance. Remember, literally should only be used for real events, so do not use it to exaggerate. And now try thinking of a true event in your life and say it using literally. The next word is actually. Some people say, actually, I like pizza. However, this is wrong because actually is used to show the truth or correct misunderstanding. Here is used randomly, so it does not make sense. Instead, you can say, you thought I was late. Actually, I came early. Or, I didn't forget your birthday. Actually, I bought a gift yesterday. Notice that actually always shows the real fact or corrects a false idea. So you should use it when you want to explain the real situation. Then try thinking of a small misunderstanding and correct it using actually. The next pair is borrow versus lend. Some people say, can you borrow me your pen? This is wrong because borrow means to take something, not to give it. So instead, you can say, can I borrow your pen? Or, can you lend me your pen? Also, I borrowed a book from my friend yesterday. Remember, borrow means take, and lend means give. So before speaking, ask yourself, am I taking or giving? Then choose the correct word, borrow or lend. The next pair is advise versus advise. Some people say, she gave me a good advice. This is wrong because advise is a verb, but here we need a noun. So the correct way is, thanks for your advice. She advised me to study harder, and my teacher advised me to practice more speaking. Advice is the tip or suggestion itself, while advice is the action of giving it. So remember, use advice for the thing and advise for the action. The last pair is fun versus funny. Some people say that movie was so fun. However, this is wrong because fun means enjoyable, not something that makes you laugh. If you mean it made you laugh, use funny. Correct examples are the party was fun, the movie was funny. Also, I had fun playing board games yesterday. Remember, fun means enjoy, and funny means laugh. So ask yourself, did I enjoy it or did it make me laugh? Then choose the correct word. Review questions. Number one, if you are taking something from a friend, what do you say? A. Can you borrow me your pen? B. Can I borrow your pen? C. Can you take me your pen? Number two, what is the difference between fun and funny? A. Fun means enjoyable. Funny means makes you laugh. B. Fun means makes you laugh. Funny means enjoyable. C. Both mean the same thing. Great job, my friends. Today you learned 5 of the most commonly misused English words. Now you know how to use them correctly and why wrong sentences are not correct. Remember, practice is the key. Make your own sentences, say them out loud, and don't be afraid of mistakes. This is Nelson wishing you good practice and good progress. And if you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join me for more easy English learning. See you next time. Bye.